So some of you know that it was I think Sunday, last to last Sunday, and we met Ashish, and we were just about to meet Jayant and Sindhu and people who are in Bangalore. We thought we meet, and that's a good day to meet. And the way it happened, I know none of you are aware of it, but today I'll reveal it and what has happened, why I got late for some of you. So there was a minor accident, right? Then the accident was basically so it's been 5 years. I never had any accident, and me and Sunanda were talking, and so I really love my car. It's Eco Sport, and that's why probably I always drive very carefully, because one problem is if you hit, then it's a very costly affair, right? So I was just driving it, and a bus came, and I just took a bit side. And in Bangalore, and particularly not in Bangalore, it's all over India. Sometimes there are dividers. It was a bit dark. There are dividers, but there are hardly any notations that will tell you that there's a divider, right? So it was completely dark, and I was driving, and suddenly I thought that my car is picked up like anything. So it actually went over a divider, and it was almost overturned. But good, I could have shown you the photograph. I'll have to find it from. I'll show you sometime. So basically, almost we thought it's going to overturn, but it didn't overturn, unfortunately. And of course, me and Sunanda and Annie was there. We all came out, and then many people came there, traffic police and everyone. And fortunately, there were many people, and they somehow managed to pick it up. I thought crane and all those, because it was a bit on side, but if you just push it, they were able to pick it, and it was made side, put on the side. And there was, yeah, that day, that was Saturday, I think, right? That it was Saturday, right? I was trying to come to your home, and
It was on Sunday,
It's Sunday.
because yeah,
Yeah,
because there was PIM session
oh,
at
PM
the
was on Sunday then,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Right,
yeah.
right, right. That was on Sunday, and
Sunday.
would you believe? So it was an accident, and I could see that many plastics are broken, and I could see that it is going to charge me heftily. But still, my focus was how do I reach to PM session on the time. See, so it was such a big mountain that I had this big problem, and Sunanda was taking photographs, right? So she was also cool, right? She was taking photographs, and I was trying to, call Vijay. I'll get a bit late, and because there's a coach recognition, I said maybe I will not be able to attend and all. So, so just see the impact of PM and book club, which if you and there was one accident with my previous car some years back when I was driving Alto, almost 10 years back, and even if you hit Alto, it will not charge you much. It will be hardly, in 5,000, 10,000. So for Ford, with this hit, I'm paying 1 lakh rupees. But for that hit, even if you're paying 5,000, 10,000, that should be okay, right? But it was a big issue for me. It was a big mountain. We discussed for this issue almost when this has happened 10 years back. This is a small accident of Alto. Truck has actually touched the truck. Basically, Alto cars are like that. If truck goes very fast, so it will shake, right? so so basically, I don't know, somehow it touched or something happened, and there was a big scratch, and it was completely imbalanced. So some people say maybe only the air made it imbalanced, but anything, something happened. And but since there was a scratch and there was a hit on the sides, I talked about this almost for a month, why this happened. I was fighting with my wife Sunanda, that we were talking, we should not have talked and all that. And move forward again, that was a big mountain, but same mountain, I think this was a bigger mountain, right? But we completely treated it as a molehill. We didn't even talk about it. So basically we just thought, okay, we'll see, and we went, I think it was 5 kilometers away from my home. Came to home, attended PM session. I think you guys might have seen me that I've joined almost half an hour late, and we took, and I didn't even take that to the workshop. So after 4 days, I thought, now okay, my office work and everything is done. Friday was off for us. Then I went, and they charged me almost 1 lakh rupees. Insurance will cover 50, 60,000, but still almost 30, 40,000 I'll have to pay from my pocket. But that was a great example how my mind shift had changed now. Even my wife Sunanda's mind shift got completely changed. We were not focused on the problem that has already happened. And I called Vijay, and Vijay gave me another great perspective of mountain, because any problem we have, we always try to connect with our coach. So Vijay is my coach, and there was some doubts, of course, coming into my mind that this is too much money. What I can do? Can I, borrow? Can I discuss with bargain with these guys, with the insurance guys? Can it increase and all that? So Vijay told, Vinny, just think about it. It's not your dream car. Your dream car is Audi Q7, right? If it would not have been this car, and it would have been your dream car, which will come, let's say, whenever in next few years, then you would have spent 7-8 lakh rupees, right? It's just 1 lakh. So see how he converted even that mountain. It got converted into even bigger, smaller molehill, right? So so that's how mindsets work, right? If I could have cried over it, right, that oh my god, we are losing so much of money, and why this happened, Sunanda would have scolded me, you should have been careful and all that, but nothing of that sort happened, right? So if you remember the thought, misery is in our mind, suffering is a choice, right? So we chose that we will not suffer on this, right? It may be a bit painful by just wasting your money, but we didn't allow it to suffer us, right? So that's a great example. I don't know how far it connects with you, but when I retrospect, I really thought that this is a big shift from the mindset. So any big incidents that happens in our life, we'll be able to manage it in a very simple manner compared to what we would have done 10 years back. Does it make sense to you? Does it ring any bell? Do you think that it's a big mind shift?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, it is.
Definitely.
Yeah, obviously, like yesterday Vijay told, like I mean, जब हमारे सामने बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स इकट्ठी आ जाती हैं, एक साथ आ जाती हैं, राइट? तो हमें एक एक टाइम पर हम एक ही प्रॉब्लम को ले सकते हैं, बट अगर मैं ये सोचूं कि मेरे को सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ही एक बार में सॉल्व कर लेनी है, तो आई थिंक दैट वाज द सेम सिचुएशन विद यू दैट टाइम व्हेन दिस ऑल दिस इंसिडेंट हैपेंड, एंड मे बी you were thinking more about that time कि I have to pay this amount, right? But over the time, maybe you have the change of mindset that okay, let's pay it, because why don't we suffer through that pain? Because life is more important than this money and this car,
Exactly.
right? I mean,
Right. Right. Exactly. So that is one another aspect, right? Life is more important than this. Yeah. So I think anything that you do, it was anyway. It was a minor accident. I don't think it was till life or anything, right? But it was a minor accident. But the problem was, I was clear that it's going to hit me from the money side, and
Yeah.
but I was able to handle it very easily, right? It's anyway, it's done, right? Why to repent over it, right? And there are so many other incidences that changed. I can give you some more incidences sometime in future, but there was one issue with my health that has happened, and again I applied the same technique of mountain to molehill. And I think this is something we all can apply. So see, somewhere you might be thinking, how do I manage to do my speeches for the book club? How do I read books, right? It could be a currently it would be looking like a molehill, it could be looking like a mountain for you, but the moment you start doing it, the moment you get benefit out of it, right? It's like every week you are working on yourself. It's like a woodcutter hitting the tree, right, with a axe which is not sharpened, right? We're just hitting it daily. The moment you read those books, the moment you participate in this, right, the moment you spread the word, the moment you start making impact on others, you will see that your axe becomes sharpened. So the same thing that you are doing in 8 hours, you'll be able to do it in 2 hours with the right mindset, right? Because just think about it. If I would have thought about this issue for the whole week, I think my office work would also have been suffered, right? My mindset could have completely changed, right? For that 1 week, but I didn't allow that to happen, right? So any challenges that you see today, trust me, friends, it's just a molehill. We are thinking it as a mountain. It may be a personal issue you are facing in your life, it may be your spouse issue, it may be your girlfriend issues, it may be your boyfriend issues, it may be your study issue, career issue, it could be anything. All those are molehills. The moment you put yourself 5 years away, as Devi Priya gave a great example, she wanted to switch her career, right? When she started, the first thought it came into her mind, it might be mountain, right? But then she thought, no, I'll work on that. The moment she started working, it became a molehill. So let's have that thought process. I think it's very important. I remember when so one of the quick thing I remember on this is I had a discussion with Vijay, and I discussed him. We are doing so many personal growth things here, and how do we measure that growth, right? People are there who have spent 6 months, 1 year, 2 months, 3 months. Question is, how do you measure? Let me ask you this: how would you measure your personal growth?
I want to,
Yeah.
yeah. So what we can do is like, I mean, a lot of incident happen in our personal life, like with your spouse or with your family or with your in your career. What we can do is, at least what I was thinking doing it, like, if some problem I'm facing, like with my spouse, for example, some conflict or anything, right? So how I'm behaving now earlier versus how I
Yeah.
was behaving
Right. Exactly.
maybe 1 month or 2 months back, right? I'll just note down that incident, uh,
Amazing.
and then I can say that, then I can see that progress as well. It's not only for just to measure it; it's just to see the progress as well as to get more confidence, right?
And that's how you measure. That's a
So
great
that
example.
will
So
help
basically, you
very
match incidents to incidents, and that's a
yeah
great example. And most of us are married, so somewhere that makes sense, right? So basically, if you see, I think that there are multiple things which he gave me, but I'll talk on only one. This what you said is about making impact, right? How many people you are making impact on? So earlier the focus was only on me, and myself, right? Now you have started thinking about your spouse. We were not, trust me, we are not thinking about them, right? Now we have started thinking about, okay, how do I make them happy, right? So that's an impact. Then gradually you will try to broaden that impact. For
right.
example, Ashish Khatri, he is making impact on 15-20 people now, right? So that he has broadened his horizon, right? So we all should do this. I think it's very important that we all should start making impact on more people, right? Today we see hardly now 8 people are left, right? So we are making impact on 8 people. Why not to convert it into 80 people, right? So same thing we can multiply with multiple other people's, right? So good things if you're doing, why can't we share that, right? Why can't we and the only thing these days is, trust me, many people are looking for these life transformational things that we are doing, right? These are some great examples, right? Without going to Himalayas, without going to big gurus, we are still changing our life, right? Earlier I used to think it can't be done in such a simple manner, but we are able to do that, right? So why not to help many others? So I think one of the measure, I'll talk about other measures. One of the measure is always see how many people you are making impact on, right? Year after year, day after day, weeks after weeks, every week. I'll say after a PM session, do check how many people you are making yourself useful, for how many people your life is becoming useful, how many people you are making impact on, right? That's very important. So don't think about yourself, think about others also. That's how we will grow, that's how they will grow. Yeah. I think with that last thought, I'll just wrap it up. We were anyway late. Any last thoughts anyone want to add before we close this? We good? All right, take care,
Yeah, I think we are
bye.
good. Thanks, Vineet. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah. Thanks everyone.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you.